my channel. My name is Maria, and today we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I am gonna be filming my summer dewy glowy skin makeup for oily skin today. I'm not sure how I'm gonna name it yet, but I am gonna be filming that, so stay tuned. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm back, and obviously that was just the previous video of me washing my face before I did my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just moisturize my face. Keep in mind that usually this process is done with time, with anticipation. If I have time and I'm not rushing out the door, I will do this look. So for my eyebrows, I am going to be using this MAC Duo eyeshadow thingamajigger, and obviously I hit pan already because it's really good with the darker shade, but this lighter shade works as well. I don't like to do a full out brow. I like to do more of a natural brow. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other eyebrow, and I'll be right back. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and use this concealer from ColourPop in the shade medium dark. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean out my eyebrows and conceal my lids. For foundation, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Stick Shaping Foundation thingy, and I just personally like to wear stick foundations rather than a liquid foundation because during the summer I don't like to be cakey. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like that feeling, and I just think it's quicker and easier, so I like to use stick foundations. And it's in the shade 407, a natural beige. Contour and give a little more brightness under my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX to contour, and it is a matte bronzer. And then I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution here under my eyes to bake. So continuing, I am going to be using this Nuave Naturel, I don't know what this palette is called, but it is just this BH Cosmetics 26 color shadow and blush palette. And I'm just going to take a combination of all of these blushes here on the bottom because they're all so cute and I can't pick one. So after all this powder, your face must hate you because it's so dry. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this Maria Badusca, I'm not sure, skincare facial spray with Olay cucumber and green tea, and I'm just gonna spritz that, you know, all over my face. Y'all don't understand how much I love that step. So now that I hydrated my face, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the main portion of this video, the highlighting part. How you guys can achieve that beaming look, highlight look, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some tricks and tips that I've learned along the way. So one of the tricks that I've learned to do is that applying a jelly, a liquidy, a just soft texture before the powder highlight helps you achieve a beaming highlight, a highlight that highlights to the goddesses. So if you want to go ahead and achieve that, I really recommend you using like a liquidy highlight. And the highlight that I'm going to be using today is this Vitalist, I can't read, guys, I'm illiterate, sorry, Healthy Glow. And it just, this beautiful glowy rose gold color. It's just really cute. I love it. And I feel like it goes really well with the powder highlight that I'm using, which is Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. Oh my god, I almost broke the top of it. And I feel like they're almost the same rose gold color, so I love to pair these two up. Before I go ahead and apply my lashes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some brow gel on my brows here to set them. So this pretty much does conclude the look. I already went ahead and applied some lashes, some lip liner, and some lip gloss to wrap this all up. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys did. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye.